So what happens to a generator when it's in a box for over 2 years? Over 2 years ago, I bought this 1,000-watt generator. Since then, it's been sitting in there. Haven't used it, and it still has the original gas. Right, so it looks like it has some gas in it. Just for total fun, let's see if this thing even starts up. Fuel. Turn that fuel on. Alright, see what this thing does after 2 years of it being in a box. Fuel stabilizer. Let me put a couple drops in here. Alright, shake that up. I just put a little bit in. Alright, so that's on. That's on. Let's see what it does now. Well, kiss my grits. Gotta work, and how about that? So it totally works, and we're gonna go ahead and test it with the load. I'm going to unplug my aquaponics system and see if it works in this generator. And of course it worked perfectly fine over 2 years ago. And it still works perfectly fine. Hey, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. What do you think about these little generators? I got this one for 85 bucks. Over 2 years ago. Kept it in a box and it works like a champ.